You can also go about setting Excel to be your default program on your PC used to open that file type which the LSVT Coach generates, the XML files. To do so, locate and open your LSVT data folder. Once opened, you are going to want to select a patient to open their data file. From here, simply click on the results file and then right-click. After you've right-clicked, you are going to want to click on the properties for this file itself. Within the properties window that opens here, under General, you will see that it opens with, again, by default, Notepad or WordPad. We are going to want to get that updated to show Microsoft Excel. To do so, click on Change as just shown on screen, and you can then browse your suggested apps to see if Excel is available for you to choose from directly from that list. If not, we will need to locate the application within your PC. The file directory location has been included on screen for your reference. So here on my PC, I would go to Program Files, to Microsoft Office, open Root, and here within Root, you are going to go to Office 16 and scroll down, and go ahead and continue to scroll through this list until you see Excel. In doing so, Excel will go ahead and be included on the list for default and choose it to open with Excel. Choose Apply to save your changes and then press OK. And from here, after selecting Excel as your default application, you can then open the results files directly from your LSVT data folder on your desktop rather than having to navigate through Excel itself, as seen here. Please reach out to LSVT Coach at lsvtglobal.com for any additional questions or concerns you may have.